Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we'll see how things moves on. Okay. Example: I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4 dot till 10. Okay. What are these? These are nothing but the first 10 natural numbers. Whenever we write like this by using comma, okay, or standing in a line roll number wise, we can say it. We call this particular whole terms to be a sequence. We call it to be a sequence. That means one after another, the numbers are lying there. Okay, that's what we call the sequence. Now, in this sequence, the first part we call it to be a term. Second term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, till we have the last term. Okay, prothomot thoka to first term buli kau, second term buli kau, third term buli kau, or last thoka to last term buli kau. Simple kotha. Okay, next we will see whenever a sequence has a specific pattern. Okay, whenever a sequence has a specific pattern, we set it to be in arithmetic progression. Now, if you see what is the pattern. Pattern is nothing but if I take the difference between this, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. That means all has the difference of 1, 1, 1 gap. Okay, therefore there has a specific pattern. All the numbers are lying in a specific pattern. That's why we call it to be this particular sequence is in arithmetic progression. Clear? That's what we call, in short form, we call it to be AP. Okay? Because there has a specific pattern, and here the pattern is difference between each terms is 1. Okay. Now let's say, term we already have said, we can name it as A1, A2, first term, second term, A3, A4, move on till last term A10. Or whenever here 10 is last term, we know, that's why we are putting A10. If I don't know, I would put AN. This is the last term. Clear? Sometimes the first term we call it to be A as well. A or A1, this is the first term. Clear? Now, if I was saying about the pattern now. Now if I see A2 minus A1, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. A3 minus A2, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. This is nothing but D. That is called common difference. Common difference. And whenever we take the common difference, we will take at least 3 difference, okay? Because jodi majot ketiba naikya hobo pare, difference to eke nimilibo pare nohoy, minimum 3 or 4 we will take it, okay? Because in middle sometimes the difference may not be same, then this is not in AP. Okay? Whenever the difference is same of a particular sequence, we say it to be those particular sequence is in AP. Clear? Okay. Here the first term, A equal to A1 equal to 1. Second term is 2. Last term AN is 10. And common difference, that is called D, small d, we call it to be how much? 1. Okay, CD is common difference. Clear everyone? What is called arithmetic progressions? We will do question number 1. A taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for each additional kilometer. Now when the situation is given, we need to decide whether we need to find all the terms, and also we need to decide whether they are in AP or not. Now if you observe this, taxi fare is kilometer. When the fare in 15 for first kilometer, we know in metro city, whenever we go for taxi, or in, for example, Guwahati in city bus, if you go for 1 kilometer or one bus stop, you need to pay a fixed price, that is 5 rupees or 10 rupees. But for after every other kilometers, maybe 3 rupees or 2 rupees per kilometer. Clear? প্ৰথমতে এটা ফিক্স পে কৰিব লাগিব, তাৰ পিছত আমাৰ পইচাটো এটা পাৰ কিলোমিটাৰ ওয়াইজ থাকিব, 10 কিলোমিটাৰ গলে বেছিকে দিব লাগিব, তাৰ পিছত আৰু বেছিকে গলে আৰু দিব লাগিব. ওকে, হিয়াৰ the first term A1 equal to 15, second term A2 equal to how much? 15 plus 8 equal to 23, A3 equal to 23 plus 8. Every kilometer we are just adding it. This will be 23 plus 8, how much? I think this is something like 31. A4 is 31 plus 8, this is 39. Now I need to check whether they are in AP or not. A2 minus A1, 23 minus 15 equal to 8. A3 minus A2, 31 minus 23 equal to 8. At least all the terms will see. Since the common difference are same, therefore this particular situation is in AP. Clear? One more thing, I just forgot it. What we are doing here, the general term upon AP is, first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. We are just, adding D on each consequent term. Clear? This is called the general terms upon AP. Fine. We will do question number 2. Okay? A equal to 10, D equal to 10. Find the first 5 term. This is very simple. General term I have already written. A1 equal to A equal to 10. A2 equal to, how much? A1 plus D, that is 10 plus 10, 20. A3 equal to, just add A2 plus D, 20 plus 10 equal to 30. A4 equal to A3 plus D. Itu pisot hitu okol add kori gole hol common difference to, that is 30 plus 10 equal to 40. These are the 10, 20, 30, 40 first 4 terms. Now, question number 3, write first terms and common difference. This is the sequence is given. First term, A equal to 3, or you can put A1 also, it is up to you. Common difference, D equal to, how much? A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. That's it. Thank you.